So you want to start trading with Tradeview?
Yeah.
We'll show you how in 4 easy steps. 1. Head on over to tradeviewforex.com and click on Start Trading Now. 2. Begin your application process. You can create a trading account in just seconds by connecting to your Google or Facebook profiles. 3. Choose from an individual, joint, or corporate account. Then, you will be asked to provide some basic information like a country of residence, tax identification number, full name, and address. 4. To comply with our KYC regulations, you will need to provide proof of your identity and by attaching a few documents like a colored copy of your ID and utility bill. And you're done. Once your account is verified, you can start trading and gain access to all of Tradeview's benefits, like access to the innovative liquidity connector, a broad range of asset classes like forex, stocks, crypto, and more. Top-class educational content in TradeGate Hub. Hit your financial goals with one app on every device. Tradeview Market.